Welcome back. Let me show you how to install packages in Parrot OS. Those which end with deb, we have two ways to install packages. We can use apt or dpkg. In this example, we'll be doing Google Chrome installation, and if, for example, if we do sudo apt install Google Chrome and hit enter, you'll be prompted to enter the password. You see, you are unable to locate. Oh, sorry, I mistyped the Google. So let's do Google. Hit enter. But still, you see, we cannot apt cannot locate the package. So what we do, Google Chrome is a web package. It ends with .deb. So what we do, head to go to Chrome, to Firefox, open a new tab, and just type Google Chrome, download. Google Chrome download, which is the first website, the first URL. Just accept and install. Not that, sorry. Let's go back. Google Chrome download. I think it's this one here. So and click download. If in this case we are running on the Parrot OS, so you select the 64-bit.deb for debian ubuntu and accept and install. If you accept and install, it will be downloaded. I won't be downloading it because I already have it here. If we check here on my downloads, I have it here. So with that, we are set to go. But before that, you are supposed to do sudo apt. You can do apt get update. Yeah, you make sure you update your repositories. But mine, I just updated it, so that's why you see I just finished. And also don't forget to do get upgrade to upgrade all your system. The phone, you see, I have these packages that I need to upgrade. Just say yes. And wait for them to finish upgrading. But depending with your network speed, it's gonna take time sometimes. So we can cancel because for now I don't need them. They are not that essential for this tutorial, because these are the packages that need to be upgraded. So with that done, so let's get to download directory. If you do ls, you see all files in download tab. You see, these are Chrome that if you after downloading you get this file, just highlight and copy and do sudo dpkg flag I for install and Shift V to paste and hit enter. for it to finish unpacking. And as you can see, we have no error. There was no any error, meaning that our installation was completed successfully. Now, how do you launch Google Chrome? Because if you come here, you see internet, we have Chrome here. You can launch it via the GUI. Alternatively, you can do it via the terminal. How? Just type Google, tab to complete, and hit enter. This will initiate Google and it will be launched. But now the disadvantage with this is that if you close this terminal here, the one we used to launch the Chrome, it also closes. Sorry, it does not necessarily mean it will close, but it will end up closing because you launched it via the process which was initiated in the terminal. Alternatively, Google, you see, if you check this, warning, performance support disabled, blah blah blah. So this is what is showing you the Chrome is running. So if you hit Ctrl C, the process closes immediately. So if you do PS, let's launch it again and see. Let's open another terminal and do PS. So we have these processes here. So I don't know which process is handling. So let's do kill 58. Don't know whether it's the one which is, so it should be sudo kill. So actually there is no that process which is running. Okay, the idea is just that if you launch any package installed via the terminal, if you interfere with the session in the terminal, the process closes. Now for you to be on a safer side, if you don't want to keep interfering with it, just click the application. Actually not clicking, just highlight the application tab in your Parrot OS and head to the internet, and under the internet you have all your browsers, which is like the top browser is default installed. We just installed this one. ESR is default installed, yeah, and just open. The reason for having Chrome in your Linux is maybe you want to import some of your tabs, yeah, some of the websites that you've been using in Windows, so, and you want to continue using them without necessarily resetting up or logging in another what do you call it, in another browser, yeah. And that is it. That's how you do installer .deb packages in Linux, actually, basically, because this is a Linux tool. Yeah, thank you. If you like this content, just hit that subscribe button. Well, bye.